Thanks for tuning in. My name is Matt. Quick introduction. I run 217 Print Lab in Central Illinois. We're a home-based business. It's me and I got a partner who we'll see in some other videos. We mostly manufacture automotive parts and not test-fit automotive parts, full-on 3D printed, use-it automotive parts. Recently, we've kind of been focusing on vehicle lighting mounts, and we've had pretty good luck with those, but we are venturing out into other areas as well. We also do kind of crafty stuff, lithophane, stuff that keeps us going, that you can sell every day. What we're going to be doing on the channel more or less is we're going to be kind of documenting starting up of a legit business that's a 3D printer lab. So rapid prototyping, kind of seeing the process of starting the business up from ground floor and seeing how high we can take it. So a little bit about machines we run. We like to run Deltas. They're better, in our opinion, for production speeds. They move faster than Cartesian printers. For the most part, there are some Cartesians that'll give them a run for their money. We like running SeeMeCNC machines. We've had really good luck with them. Their row stock machines are absolute workhorses, and we're actually going there tomorrow to pick up another row stock. And who knows? We might pick up something else too. Maybe an Artemis instead of a row stock. Just gonna see what kind of deal we can get. They're not paying me to talk about them. I really enjoy their machines. We've had really good luck. They're hassle-free. You turn them on, print with them, turn them off. Next time you turn them on, they always work. I've never had an issue with them. So like I said, we print mostly automotive stuff. We've done some work for some medical companies, doing trade show parts. We've done plenty of automotive work, a lot of arts and crafts type stuff when we first got started. And we're, I consider still first getting started. So keep tuned in. Tomorrow we might do some live feeds and stuff when we get to SeeMeCNC, if they'll allow us, maybe do a walkthrough of the factory and just the whole facility in general. A lot of people have asked to see that, so stay tuned in. Thanks for watching.